Your kidneys process about 180 to 200 liters of fluid from your blood plasma every single day. That's a full bathtub, and they do it without you thinking for even 1 second. Here's the crazy part. Your kidneys don't just filter, they filter almost everything, then painstakingly take back 99% of it. So what decides what stays and what goes? Inside each kidney sit about 1 million tiny units called nephrons. Each one is a microscopic factory, and together they run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It starts with a tiny knot of capillaries called the glomerulus. Blood is forced through it under high pressure, like squeezing a water balloon, and the fluid that leaks out becomes the raw filtrate. This raw filtrate contains almost everything in your blood plasma: water, salts, glucose, amino acids, but also waste like urea. Crucially, large proteins in all blood cells are kept out at this initial filtration stage, demonstrating it's a precise barrier that filters based on both size and electrical charge. Now the real intelligence kicks in. The filtrate travels down a long winding tube called the proximal tubule, and here specialized proteins in the wall grab glucose and amino acids and pull them back into the blood, essentially reversing the filter. Think of it like a factory conveyor belt moving past workers. Each worker, a transporter protein, is programmed to grab one specific molecule and toss it back onto the keep pile. Miss the belt, and you're excreted. Water is handled by a clever trick. The kidney actively builds up an intense salt concentration in the surrounding tissue, a gradient, and water simply follows, getting sucked out by osmosis. While the water movement itself is passive, significant energy is continuously used to create and maintain this crucial salt gradient. But here's the payoff, the question we started with. How does your kidney know exactly what to keep? For essential molecules, specialized transporter proteins recognize their specific molecular shapes and pull them back into the blood. Water and some other substances also move passively along concentration gradients. Waste products like urea are either not reabsorbed efficiently or are even secreted, so they largely remain in the filtrate and flow toward the exit.